Hey. Hey, so welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm so excited. This is my first time doing anything like this. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. The channel is supposed to be predominantly about cooking. I'm super into DIY projects. I love doing all kinds of crazy things around the house. Self-care is #1 for me, but to be honest with you, I just want to have fun. So whatever you guys want to see, I'll be happy to do within reason. But thank you for tuning in, and I'm so excited and happy to be giving you guys all this content. See you soon. Bye. Bye. Say bye, Chichi. Say bye. We're doing a lot of DIY. I love anything revolving around self-care, so that is totally my bag. That sounded lame. I don't like it. Around making me feel better. That's totally my speed.
Alright, so